What's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab, because you know I'm addicted to giving you guys all this advice. Y'all know what day it is. It's Monday, and I want to say happy Monday to everybody. I want to thank everybody who's subscribed, all the new subscribers that subscribed to me over the weekend. I want to thank, just thank everybody, man. I want to thank everybody who's subscribed. I want to thank everybody who's purchased the wristband so far. If you haven't already, you know, my Cash App will be in the description, man. Purchase your wristband in red and black. It's JJ Cars and Advice. It says JJ Cars and Advice with my YouTube and Instagram on it. And then the back of it says, the grind don't stop, it just starts over again. They're red and the letters are in black. And also in the comment section below, let me know in the comment section below what colors of like keychains and like other stuff, like what colors do y'all want me to use besides just the normal red and black? I know I like red and black, but you know, let me know some colors in the comment section below. But yeah, I know it's Monday. We're about to show you guys the property and show you guys another property. I know y'all liked the last video, so we're gonna show you guys another property that's available for rent, you know, if you guys are interested. So here's the property. It used to be South Shields Auto Credit, and if y'all know, if y'all can see, like I'm zooming right there, they actually just moved to a bigger lot like this one. Like they're a big lot, you know. You see they offering like 500 down and stuff like that, you know. So they literally just moved like 3 buildings down. I guess this one wasn't big enough, because I know that one over there, like their new lot, it has like a 3 bay or 3 or 4 bay garage and stuff like this. I think this one only had like the 1. Yeah, I think, see, this one only got the 1, but it has good space though. Let's see, the inside pretty big. Inside fairly good size, you know. I don't know if y'all can really see that or not. Let's see. We'll get up close for you guys. You know, you could probably, I know, you can see it. Y'all see, it's got a pretty decent size in there. I mean, you can have like, you can kind of section it off. I guess you can make that your office, you know. You can make that little door over there your office. I guess that'll be the restroom over there. Set this up nicely for the customers, but just walk around here. So look at it. Y'all have a lot of area of space. Look at it. A lot of space going on. And you can park many cars right here, you know. You can basically, you know, have your own personal vehicle, either parked right there or parked over there. You have a little shop over here to get you like you can do like mechanic work or detail. Like, you know, see that little building over there? It's a little garage, so you can have it basically, you know, have it if you can. This right here is a location you don't want to do it by yourself. You want to make sure that you have a team. You want to make sure you have a team. At least, if you're gonna do something like this, I will minimum say at least 3 people, man. You know, because I know you're gonna be the buyer and stuff like that, and you right here. The best thing to do is link up with like somebody that like to do mechanic work and put them on the side, or somebody that details cars. If you can't find a mechanic, my best advice: find you somebody that details cars. You know, let them use it like the detail cars, you know, like, hey, you know, you can use this. You pay the detailer like, hey, we're gonna pay you a little bit of money. You'll detail cars on the side, but you can also detail other people's cars. But you know, my cars will come first, so you have a detail person on hand. You know, go find you a mechanic, so you can just basically buy them at the auction, drop them off to the mechanic, and then bring them to your shop. Your detail man get them detailed, and then bam, they already out there ready for sale. You know, you can put one in, move one out, put one in. But yeah, let's keep walking around and show you all the space. But yeah, y'all see it, y'all got space over there on the gravel. You got more more space over there, so it goes all the way over there. Look how many cars you can just pile in over here. Like I said, you got that right there to either detail, work on cars, or detail and work on cars. You can probably fit. Let's see, you can probably put 3 to 4 cars on that side. If I'm not, at least minimum 2 cars. So it goes all the way out here to the boundary. You're right here on the main street. So you see y'all see the traffic. This is early. So look at that. You got all this space. So you can line up cars. Boom, 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 boom. You have cars just lined up all everywhere. You know, bam, you have all that, you just line up cars. And basically you can section it off. You know, you can basically put the car that you got ready right here. Then you can put the car that you're getting ready over there or something, or however you want to do it. You got a lot of opportunities. You got space out there on the curb. Look at you right here on the main street. You ain't got to worry about nothing. You're on the main street. Got a lot of traffic. Here's the number. That's the number. It's the same number as the last people. So the person who owns this one owns the smaller lot too. So that's the number. And just if y'all call, just say that I'm looking at the old lot that used to be South Shields Auto Credit. So as y'all guys can see, it's the same number to the smaller lot that I showed you guys. So I guess the person that owns this one owns that one. He probably owns a lot more of these properties. So if he owns the smaller one, he owns this one. I'm pretty sure he owns any more of these, or a lot of these other ones too. But I'm gonna keep showing you guys videos like this to show you, because I know some people might want a smaller lot, some people might want a bigger lot. So if you're in Oklahoma and wants to get a car lot started, and I'm showing you these videos, when I see them and I see the first lease sign up there, I'm giving y'all a video the same day. So, you know, as of Monday, March 1st, 2021, this lot is available. So it's on you if you want to take advantage of the new opportunity and jump on it. You know, you can either, like I posted the other one, the smaller one. So I don't know how long that one's going to be for lease, up for lease. I don't know if somebody's going to jump on it, but the day I seen it, I posted it was available. The day I'm seeing y'all seeing this one, it's available. So if you're in Oklahoma and looking for a lot, here you go. If you're planning on moving to Oklahoma, you might have to call them, and you know, might have to put a little bit more money down and get you on the road. But yeah, I'm basically trying to show you guys the whole process, and when these come available, I am going to be dropping the videos the same day as I see it. If I see them and they're available, I'm dropping a video. So basically, y'all gonna know. Yeah, I basically dropped videos earlier on, if y'all haven't watched the earlier videos on my channel that show you exactly like where to go to get your bond. So I'll show you everything on the channel. So I'm showing you how to go get your bond, where you can go get your bond, where you can go get your insurance, your sign and everything. Basically showing you everywhere you can go to get open. So just keep watching the videos, and I'm gonna keep posting these stuff. And I'm linking with people too. You know, I already linked up 2 subscribers that lives in Georgia. You know, one guy was already a member of the membership. My good friend, talked to him here and there. I linked him up with one of my new subscribers, and because he was planning on opening up, and I was like, hey, you know, why don't y'all 2 link? So that's what you get when you're a part of the membership too. You know, if you haven't already, go get your membership. You know, I'm trying to link as many people as possible. You know, I'm not in every area. I'm only here in Oklahoma, so I can only give you as much as I can in Oklahoma. But I've linked with people that's in, you know, Seattle, Georgia, California, New York, Florida. I'm gonna link with people in South Carolina as well. I'm linking with people all over. So, you know, they're joining the membership, they're hitting me up, we're getting connected and stuff like that. So if you're planning on opening up a dealership, or just want advice to sell cars, or maybe planning on opening up a dealership in the future, and you're in any area, and if you got a membership, man, I can link you with other people, and y'all can maybe do business. Y'all can maybe, hey, you know, we both been watching the video, y'all team up, and y'all, you know, take what you learned and y'all start one together, you know, you can do a lot of stuff. You know, it's like, that's a good thing with building connections. You know, you have to be open-minded and be able to build connections. But you know, it's a new month, new day, new week, bunch of new opportunities. So, but if you haven't already, you know, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna keep these videos coming. I'm out. Peace. See y'all tomorrow. And also, one last thing, what colors do y'all prefer? Like, man, what colors, and what do y'all want the keychains to say? Cause I'll probably just get the cheap keychains made back at it like an addict. I know for sure I'm gonna get those made, but what color do you guys want? That's my thing. I need to know the colors. Like, I went with red and black because, you know, I like that, but just let me know some colors, and I'll be working on that, getting some more merchandise and little stuff made. And if you haven't already, you know, get your wristband. You know, it's $5. You know, even if you don't want it yourself, you know, give it to somebody. You know, $5. Support the movement. Get your wristband. You know, get the support. You know, and if you haven't already, get your membership. Just click the join button on the channel. You know, 99 cents is just the lowest membership. You know, just supporting the dream. And then $4.99 to get you a direct access to me, and, you know, my phone number, direct access to me, and I'll try to help you as much as possible, because I will continuously dropping free videos. Videos, like I said, free videos. But any additional information, it will cost you the $4.99 membership. But that's all I have. I'm out. Peace.